Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the background of your images using Affinity. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a PNG file real quick, and I want to change the background. So let's say I just want to make it something simple, like I want to change it to a solid color, and that's just so it's easier to add text and other layers to this image. So I'm going to start here in the Pixel Studio, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the object selection tool. So usually the first time you click this tool, it's going to take a few seconds to analyze the image. Just go ahead and give it a few seconds to do so. But once that's done, as you can see, as you mouse over your image, it's going to show you what objects are being selected. So I'm just going to quickly go over and select our subject here and give it a left click. Now that that's done, I'm just going to quickly go to the retouching studio. Alternatively, you can also start here, and that's just to uh, have access to these selection tools right here at the top. It's just a little more convenient, and I also mostly use the retouching studio anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and click on invert selection, and what that's going to do is it's going to select the background instead of our foreground. And I'm just going to quickly hit delete on my keyboard to create an empty space. So as you can see, our subject is completely unaffected. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to Pixel here at the top, new fill layer. And in the fill layer, I'm just going to go ahead and choose something like maybe this nice deep purple. And I'm going to add some noise just to give it a little texture. So that's one way of adjusting the background. Alternatively, you can also load in another image entirely, and you can replace the background with something like a forest or some scenery, whatever you would want to do. The object selection tool is a great addition to Affinity because it really saves a whole lot of time. Back then, you would have to manually go over your subject and create a mask or a selection using like a lasso tool or maybe a polygonal lasso tool. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.